Hey guys, so we're going to look today at naming opposite rays. So when you're looking at a picture, remember that opposite rays are two rays that have one endpoint and move in opposite directions. Together, they form a line. So if you're looking at a picture like this and you're trying to find a pair of opposite rays, remember they form a line. So an example on this one would be we have a ray that starts at B and goes through F. Okay, that is one ray. So the endpoint will go first when I'm naming it. So BF. Yes, the B must go first because that's where that ray started. Okay, and the other ray, the opposite ray, would be going the exact opposite direction and starts at the same endpoint. So I know B is still going to go first because it's the endpoint of this new green ray, and it goes through W. Notice that when I do name them and I put the arrow above the two letters, the arrow is always going to go to the right because that is the symbol that represents a ray. And we know that these are opposite rays because together, when you look at them together, they form a line. Okay, that's it.